At that point, we can say, hey, do you want to sell? Do you want to keep it? Or do you want to just work with us and we'll scale it up, okay? And that's your decision, right? And then from there, we'll scale it up, scale it up, scale it up. And ideally, what we want to do with all our clients is help you exit. You know, I mean, that's the whole point of this. It's really easy. You can always rinse and repeat. So the ideal goal is like, cool, you're making a ton of money. We see an opportunity, some rich guy or PE fund goes, which is, the PE funds are like owning the Amazon space right now. And they go, hey, what's up? I got $4 million. What do you got for me? And we go, oh, hey, yeah, we have this like product, that we just launched for this client about 2 years ago. It's doing like 30K profit per month. Like, oh, cool. Yeah, we'll give you like $1.5 million for it. Great, and then we'll work with our tax friends to make sure that we reduce our tax. So instead of walking away with, $1 million after $1.5 million sale, maybe you walk with a 1.4. And we obviously like handle all that for you because we don't want you to just waste your time dealing with all the nuances of sale. We just help you exit it. Because like the simple truth is this, is that people are not going to want to go outside, right? And that's actually not a smart idea to be going outside. But people are going to still need things, right? They're going to still need products. They're going to still need solutions. And yes, they're going to be a little bit more, afraid and they're worried, but that doesn't mean that it's going to change their overall consumerist nature. Like if a problem exists, they're going to need it. I'm going to tell you right now, entertainment expenses are going to skyrocket. Like all the money that people usually spend on going out to restaurants, bars, clubs, traveling, on stupid little shit that they see in the stores, I'm telling you, that money is going to all go to e-commerce brands, Amazon, entertainment, gaming, things like that. So it really is probably the best time actually, because what you're going to see is some people in your markets, no matter what, just by percentages, are going to start taking on scarce-minded actions. I know, it's really freaking hard when you're going Zan, like you asshole, like people are literally boarded up inside their houses and they're dying. I understand that. It's terrible. But you also have to you can't let that externality affect your expansion-oriented actions. So now more than ever, use this time to work on yourself. Use this time to focus on your business. Use this time to find better keywords. And like I said, in Amazon, some of your competitors are going to get scarce. They're going to turn down PPC spend. They're going to go ahead and stop ordering as many units. They're going to get really afraid and they're going to start taking scarce-minded actions. And that's exactly where you can come in and start to clean house. So that's the answer with coronavirus, specifically with your question. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about Facebook ads real quick, because actually, one of the most powerful platforms to be able to push rank with are like Facebook and YouTube. Okay. And so obviously Google and YouTube, that's like owned by the same company, so they give off the same signals and identifiers of customers actually going to the Amazon platform. But with Facebook ads, what's really good about like ranking at an early stage, before you've built up ManyChat, right? ManyChat chatbots, which we're going to start going really in depth, and I'm going to make sure that all of you guys actually get access to a really awesome tool at a really big discount, because I've brokered a deal with this with the people who developed this software called Boost Rooster. What is beneficial about Facebook ads is that you can actually use something called offer campaigns to get multiple sales per customer, okay? And even if you were getting one sale per customer, that's fine. But the benefit of having multiple sales per customer is that you're able to increase that conversion rate of your listing, right? And so when that's happening and you're getting a higher session order percentage rate, Amazon's looking at your listing as like a cash cow. And it's starting to back that listing by raising it in rank. That's all it is.